Welcome back, guys. Today's project is going to be the sound system. So, it's done well over the time, but not too happy about a couple of things. I want to paint the speakers, got an amp and some bumpers facing forward, which is great for me driving, but I want a bit more boom at shows. So we're going to flip that round, we're going to wrap it in carpet, do a little bit more. So, let's begin. Right, we've removed everything. It's a bit tied up, but it'll do for now. So let's go ahead and get it wrapped. Next up, put the speaker holes out. And that's one speaker in. I am actually going to be painting this purple, but we'll get to that another time. Let's do the other one. Now time for the base hole. Just started a 3D print that should eventually cover these holes. So I'm not going to cut this yet. So we'll jump over to covering this board. This is what the amp's going to sit on, and I'm going to cover it in black fabric. So we'll do that now. Next up, I'm going to cut out the woofer ports, and I 3D printed a template, which eventually I'll print off some proper ports outside. That lines up pretty good. I have to reprint them so they go a bit further down, a bit tidier. Now that the subs are wired up and we've got the lighting in, we're going to throw it in the boot and get the rest of the wiring done. Let's go! next up, clean up all this mess. Box is back in, amps wired up. We've got a 600 powering the front and back speakers, and then looking from the other side, we've got a 900 that powers the 2 subs. And there we have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, just give me a shout. Don't forget to follow the channel and head over to Facebook to see what's going on over there. See you next time.